Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can import georeferenced image into the Civil 3D. So there are different methods. So I'm going to start from the first one. Like if I was going to try external reference, you want to attach the image as an external reference, but sometimes it didn't work. For example, if I am going to attach this one, this is the ECW image. So I am going to use the external reference, specify on screen, uncheck this one, everything is unchecked. So I will click OK. So I can see that image is attached. So zoom extends. So we can see the image is here, but this is I can see this is not the proper coordinates, because you can see this one is showing 0 0. This is not proper image. So another way to see this is wrong. So if I am going to open a file that we have the side boundary here, so I am going to open this one and just ignore this one, and I will copy the boundary, copy this one, and go to the drawing, and I will go paste to the original coordinates. You can see you can see the boundary is here, and the image is far somewhere. I don't know where is the image now. Yeah, so for example, I think the image is here. Yeah, the image. So everything is very far apart. So there is another method that we can use to import our image properly. What I'm going to do is quickly open a new drawing, and then first I am going to see the coordinate systems. I will go to the settings, on the drawings, right click and edit drawing settings. You have to make sure the coordinates should be the ones you are working in. I am working in the England, so my coordinates are units are in meters, and the coordinate system is British National Grid. So your drawing should be in the same coordinates, so that you have the georeferenced image. So this is all set. So you have to use your coordinates. I am going to click OK. Now I have installed the Autodesk raster design. So once you have this one, so it means you have already installed. Otherwise you have to install Autodesk raster tools. What you can do is map insert, and then from here you can select the image. I am going to use my ECW image. Click open. Now you can see this is the insertion point, and everything is with the ortho image. So the everything is here. If I click OK and then zoom extend, now you can see I have this here. If you can see the coordinates on the bottom side, you can see the coordinates here. That this one is georeferenced. Another way to check it is geolocation maps. On the big maps, Bing aerial maps. So you can see this is quite this location, and what I'm going to do is copy and paste the side boundary. Clipboard, copy, and then paste it to the original coordinates. So you can see this comes up quite nicely on this georeferenced image. I'm going to quickly switch off the maps. So you can see this is the boundary, and then I have the image here, and then in the external reference I have my image loaded properly. Another method is, I can show you real quick. I'm going to delete this one. Would you like to detach them? Yes. So another method is using the map workspace. So map WS task pane on, and click on the data, connect to the data, and then I am going to, so you have to go to the add raster image or surface, and then click on the add raster image. Select this icon, image icon, and then I'm just going to copy the name as well. So this is the ECW image. I'm going to click all images. So this one, I'm going to paste this one. And once you are here, you don't have to directly click on the add to map. First go to the coordinate system. So the coordinate system is unknown. Right click, sorry, this one, and then click on the edit coordinate system. And this one is wrong coordinate systems. So we have to edit this one to our own. So the coordinate system I'm working is British National Grid. British OSGB 1936 British National Grid 27700. So this is my British National Grid. Click OK. Now you can see the coordinate system units, and then click on add to map, and we have here, and I am going to select this one, display order, send to back. So now we can see this is the side boundary, and we have our georeferenced image properly connected. So you can see from the geolocation, turn on Bing Maps. So this is the right position of this site. But this method doesn't have the external reference. So if you will go for the external reference, you will see that you don't have any external reference because this is connected as a data. So these are the different methods that you can use to import your georeferenced image. If you want it as an external reference, then you have to have your Autodesk raster image, and if you don't have the raster image, you can go for the data connection. But this one is like you cannot clip the image. Once you have the external reference, you can clip it, you can edit the image as well. So hope you will like this video, and if you have any other questions, you can just write it in the comments. I hope you guys like this video. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye.